Thank you for your interest in buying a calculator template from no-code calculators. This is the process of buying and installing the calculator on your WordPress site. So you check out right here. You enter your name and your email right here. Once you make the payment, you can come over to view other details. You click on this link right here. You can as well get the templates from here. And this will be downloaded to your PC, either Windows or Mac. Once that is done, you come over to here. So for this to work, you need to have this plugin called Calculated Feeds Form on your site. You need a professional version of the plugin for this to work. And once you have the professional version on your site, you can have as many templates as you want on the site. So this plugin costs 49.99 EUR and it's a one-time payment. You get lifetime access to updates. So you are able to do different kind of calculations that were not possible in the free version of the plugin. So once you buy this plugin and you have it installed on your site, you come over to your WordPress dashboard and click on Calculated Feeds Form. So in your case, if you have bought a professional version, this will read Calculated for Feeds Form Professional, not Developer. I am using this, so yours will read as Professional. Then you click on Import and Export Forms. Okay, so you scroll down to the bottom and click on this, choose file. So I'll select this that I just downloaded, open, import. That way I have the calculator installed on my site and I can rename it if I want. So I need to copy this short code right here and create a new page. You could put it on any page if you want. Anywhere that you can paste a text, this short code would work and the calculator will be displayed. And I'll call this page body fat calculator, paste the code and publish. Okay, so the page is ready. And here is the calculator. This is exactly how it looks, but this can be styled if you want to change the colors, the layout, and anything else. That can be done for you. Yeah, so if you buy any other templates from the site after now, so you don't really need to install the plugin again. Basically just need to download the templates that you want, and once you download the templates you can easily install. So thank you for your interest in the calculator. Please, if you have some questions, kindly let me know and I'll be happy to answer all of your questions.